Hey there, Ready Maker. Today we're going to do a little tip on how to publish a Ready project onto a website. So here we are in Ready. Let's go ahead and take a look at our friend Doug Rushkoff that posted a Ready project directly into his WordPress blog. So this is Doug's blog, and as you can see here, he's gone ahead and he's posted a Ready project directly into WordPress. And if we go ahead and press Start, you'll notice that in fact this project will begin to load from the internet. This allows you to essentially embed anywhere on the web something you made in Ready, or for that matter, something that somebody else made in Ready that you think is really cool that you want to show off. So it goes ahead and it pulls this package, which you're seeing happening right now. And when it's all done, it reveals the Ready Play button on the project itself. And from there, you can go ahead and play it as if you were inside the Ready app. So now that this project has pulled down all the content, I go ahead and I press play. And as you can see here, we're playing an actual game of Pong, on the web. So this is fully playable, totally functional. So let's go ahead and I'll give you a little tour of how to go ahead and make this yourself. As you can see, every single project that's embedded on the web has these buttons, one of which says embed. And if you click on it, it reveals an embed code. This is a code that you can use to paste any project into your blog. It has two sizes, regular and large. You would choose the version you want, say regular, copy to clipboard, say OK. And then now you have that embed code in your clipboard, which you can now paste into any kind of blog management system. So let's go ahead and take a look for a minute as to how that would work. You saw that I took that embed code. Let's go ahead and do it from scratch where you have no idea really how to begin. There's nothing on the web yet to grab an embed code from. So here's how we do it. Go back to the Ready app. And let's say that I wanted to embed any one of these projects, or for that matter, I could go to my workshop and do my own. But for this example, I'm going to take this Mario game that was made. And so how do I get the embed code for this? I would do share. I'm doing this on a Mac. You could do the same thing on a PC. And so it says a URL of this project has been copied to your clipboard. Paste it anywhere you want to share. Thanks. Okay, cool. So we go back now to our handy browser. I'll open a new tab, and I'll paste the link that Ready gave me. And as you can see, it's resolving this to bring us to a standalone web page. This is a web player where you can play this Mario game. But in our case, we want to embed it into our blog. So we go to the next step. We click on the embed code, and I'm going to pick a large version of Mario. I'm going to say copy to clipboard, and I'll say OK. Now, I'm going to go to this blog software. It's called Squarespace. You might use WordPress or Blogger. Whatever it is, most of these services will allow you to embed a WebGL container. So let's go ahead and create a new post on our blog. This happens to be how Squarespace works, but I'll go ahead and say plus. I'll call it Super Mario. That's what that project was called. I'm going to say have fun playing Super Mario, right? And now I'm going to embed a code block. And again, each CMS has its own way of doing this. This happens to be called Squarespace, but there's a thing called code. And I'm going to go ahead and paste the code block that came from before. And look, even here you can see it's beginning to figure it out and load it. I'm going to hit apply. And now I'm going to hit save. And we've now, I believe, saved this thing. I should actually save it and publish it. So my little problem here, save and publish, that's the bottom right button. Okay, now this thing is in fact live. And let's go ahead and take a look at the website itself, where this is located. And I'm realizing it may create a conflict because I'm logged into the editor. So I should have planned this a little better for you guys, so I apologize. It's going to probably redirect me back to the editor we just were in. If that's the case, I'm going to just bring us into, I'm going to take us out of this editor. because I want to show you the live web page. And the way to do that is I'm just going to go into Chrome, create a new window, because I'm not logged into Chrome. And now, the thing I just uploaded, sure enough, here it is, right on this website, Super Mario. And of course, from here, we can press Start. It'll load the project like it did at the start of this little tutorial video. And now you'll find yourself able to play this game on your own blog. So that's a little tour of how to go ahead and upload or embed any ready project anywhere. WebGL is what this is made out of. It should play in Chrome, it should play in Safari, Internet Explorer, Firefox, pretty much every browser. If you have a low-end computer, it might be struggling, and of course WebGL won't play in mobile. In mobile, these things will open directly in the Ready app, but this is a really neat little tool for essentially broadcasting and sharing your games anywhere on desktop. And yeah, let's play this for a second. So here it is, Mario, collect points, get coins, all that stuff. And here I am. See if I can jump. Oh, there's a coin right there. Nice. Okay, so this is a pretty cool game. And I should do a little better job here. So that's basically a little tip on how to do this. So thanks, have fun, and send us what you make.